So there are tons of ways to make money out there in the world, but today we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. Now, honestly, you need a following. So you need to build an audience in order for affiliate marketing to work. If you are someone who's alone, who you don't have any friends, you're very low impact on social media, you don't post a lot, you're just kind of there floating around, affiliate marketing is probably not for you. But if you're someone that's looking to make a lot of money, or any money, there's a great way to do affiliate marketing. For the longest time, I didn't have a YouTube channel. I didn't have a way to use affiliate marketing to help market products. I didn't have people that I was able to influence to purchase products and stuff like that. So affiliate marketing was never a thing that I ever really suggested was realistic for me and what I do. So today we're going to talk about affiliate marketing and how to set it up. So one thing you could do is create a YouTube channel. Well, let's take a step back. Let's do something even easier. Create an Instagram channel. So this could be you're reviewing your everyday products. So create an Instagram channel. Do like short reels. Like let's say you have a toddler and you have this toy that your toddler absolutely loves that you bought off Amazon. So film a video of your toddler using that toy. You can hide your toddler's face or film it from an angle to where they're not noticeable if you don't want the whole internet looking at your kids. It's probably a good idea. And then post that video and put a link in there that is a referral link to Amazon. You have to go to Amazon, create a referral link system. That's super easy to do. And then you'll just create videos of everyday products that you have in your house, find them on Amazon, link them there. People will see a video of you using it and they'll be like, oh, that's pretty cool. So then they can purchase that link and you'll get anywhere from 1 or 2% to 20% commission on certain things off Amazon. You get paid once a month. It's great. I have another YouTube channel where I have a lot of accessories I've put on my truck. And then in every video, I have links to those products. And they're all referral links. They all bring in money when someone purchases something or buys something through that link. So that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You just need to have an audience. If you don't have one, build one. Instagram channel, do a YouTube channel, you could do like, if your name's Sarah, do like Sarah's Everyday Reviews. And then you're doing a review of the everyday products you have in your house. Spoons, utensils, cups, napkins, literally anything, especially anything that you find super interesting or that works really well for you and that you really like. And you can post it on Facebook or whatever, Twitter, your social medias that you have, and build that audience of people that are interested in the stuff that you have. And like when I first started doing affiliate marketing on my other YouTube channel, I was expecting, 1 or 2 sales a month, but realistically, you're looking at 2 to 3 sales per day on certain things, which really was just kind of blew my mind. And if you're looking at a 5-10% commission on expensive things that are like $600,000-$700,000, that really can add up over time. So affiliate marketing, build an audience. You can do it through Instagram, YouTube, whatever you want. I highly recommend it. It is a great way to make money. So get out there, start building an audience, finding products that you do every day and review them, post them online, and you will be surprised that people will actually buy it because they're like, hey, I need this in my life. This is cool. Like a rubber duck, a hard plastic rubber duck that you can put in your kid's bath. Where the previous ones where you like squish them and there's a bunch of mold inside and you've seen people like cut them open and there's like mold inside and you don't want that in your kid. So someone invented like a hard plastic rubber duck, or I guess that's not rubber, but a hard plastic duck, and it has like a thermometer on it. So it literally tells you the temperature of the water so you don't burn your kid when it's like bath time. Like, that's such a genius idea. So take something like that that's somewhat unique in your house, do a little video of it, create a YouTube channel or an Instagram Reels where you don't have to show your face if you're not comfortable being on camera. And it's a great way to make money online. So that's all I got for you. If you have any questions about my journey with affiliate marketing, feel free to comment below. Or if you've watched this video and it inspires you to start something, bookmark this and come back and let me know, hey, I followed your advice and it worked. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.